Hello everyone. I created this video kasi daming nagtatanong regarding kung legit po ba yung DeepAid Consulting International. Anyway, disclaimer lang po, I'm not one of the workers or employees of this company. I'm one of their clients na ka-start ko lang po. Magti-third month pa lang ako sa kanila. And I found out na maganda yung program nila. And before ako nag-enroll sa program nila, I research their backgrounds, their feedbacks, and everything. Yung mga legal papers, documents nila, ni-research ko rin. At I find out na okay naman lahat.